Hi everybody, this is Thiago from ShedMate, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a design, quote, and engineering for a shed in real time in ShedMate. So in here I've got ShedMate opened, and I've got a shed that is 7 meters wide by 9 meters long and 3.2 meters high. And it's coming up as about 11 grand to actually make this shed. So basically what I can do now is I can change any information on the shed. For instance, here's the width of the shed, and if I go to 8 meters wide, watch what happened here in this pricing details here. So if I hit enter, as I hit enter, you're gonna see that the shed is gonna recalculate, and I see the new price coming up here as about $600 more to fabricate a shed that is exactly those dimensions, and that's it's just 1 meter wider there. So as I make any changes here to this shed, you're going to see the prices being calculated in real time. And I can even see, if I go here to visibility and I turn on the engineering visibility here for the shed, you can even see what the frames that are being picked up by our engineering system and applied automatically here to generate those prices on. So if I actually make changes here and I go a little bit crazier here with a 12 meter wide shed, you're going to see here that ShedMate automatically calculates that I need another set of mullions there, or a new grid line there, and of course my pricing is going to be up a little bit more. And as I'm making those changes, and I'll actually change this to be a higher shed, you're going to see here that ShedMate is going to automatically pick up a new set of rafters or portals of rafters and columns. Because of course that shed is much higher, so there's more engineering pressures in there that I need to drive this shed to use a different profile of a portal. And of course my shed price is going to be up quite a bit, right? So we went from 11 grand to about 18 grand in there just by making some changes in the shed. And this is the communication that I can have with my customer as we're discussing, the size of the shed or the length of the shed or whatever else is being done there. And ShedMate's going to be doing all the lift up work in the background to give me my most updated price for that shed. And if I click in here and say, hey, the customer wants to go ahead, I can see here my breakdown structure of what this price looks like and why it's giving me exactly that price, right? So I have, about 16 grand of material costs and shed kit costs and stuff, and about $1,500 of other fabrication details. Notice that this is just the configuration that we've got, but if I have concreting work or site work, installation, taxes, all these stuff we can bake into the system here and configure to your specific needs, so you can have all the details in here, right? And we have the variables here that you can do, delivery distances, discount prices and everything like that. And you can finally, when you're happy with the results and your customer wants to go ahead, you can generate a really, really professional looking document handover for your customer as they leave the stand. We also generate architectural plans, fabrication plans, and all these stuff, site plan information and all this stuff. But focusing here on the document, you can see here that ShedMate can generate this document on the fly there as you're talking to the customer. And here you can see all these prices, that information that we just discussed, and also a nice shed preview here that's going to be printed out with this handover as well. All right, so this is ShedMate in about 5 minutes, and we went from a simple design, recalculated those designs a few times based on conversations we have with our customer, and we have a professional looking quotation in the end. See you. Bye.